interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued new severe thunderstorm warnings for Kaufman County, northwestern Henderson County, central Ellis County, southeastern Dallas County, and Navarro County until 12:30. The cluster of severe thunderstorms located near Palmer or near Ennis moving east at 35 miles per hour, and additional storms were seen tracking through southeastern Dallas County. Some of these storms may have wind gusts to 70 miles per hour. You can expect considerable tree damage and also damage to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings and sheds and things like that. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for Kaufman County, Henderson County, Ellis County, southeastern Dallas County, and Navarro County until 12:30. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.